If you want to make a video last longer in CapCut, whether it's for a tutorial, a short edit, or a social media post, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend video duration in CapCut step by step, using a few simple methods that work on CapCut PC. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you haven't started one yet, create a new project and import the video you want to extend. You can do this by clicking the import button and selecting your file, then dragging that video down onto the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on the video so it becomes selected. This is important because all the editing options you need will only appear once the clip is highlighted. Now, if your clip was trimmed and there is still more original footage available, the easiest way to extend the duration is to drag the end of the clip to the right. Move your cursor to the edge of the video until you see the resize handle, then click and drag outward. As you do this, CapCut will reveal more of the original footage that was already inside the file. This is the fastest way to make the clip longer without changing the speed at all. But if you drag the clip and it won't extend any further, that means the video has already reached its original length. In that case, you'll need to use a different method to increase the duration. The next option is to slow the video down. With the clip still selected, click on speed, then choose normal. This lets you adjust the playback speed of the entire clip. Reduce the speed to make the video play more slowly, which automatically makes the total duration longer. For example, if you lower the speed, the same footage will stretch across more seconds on the timeline. This is a great method when you want to extend a clip without adding extra visuals. Just keep in mind that slowing a video down can affect how the motion feels, so choose a speed that still looks natural for your project. If you want the video to last even longer, there are two more simple tricks you can use. One option is to duplicate the clip and place the copy directly after the original on the timeline. This immediately adds more time to your video and can be useful if you want to repeat a scene, an intro, or a background shot. Another option is to add a freeze frame at the end. A freeze frame holds on the last moment of the clip, which is perfect when you want the video to end more slowly or give viewers a moment to read text or take in the final shot. Depending on the style of your video, you can even combine these methods. For example, you could first slow the clip down, then duplicate it, or finish with a freeze frame to stretch the ending just a little more. The best part is that CapCut makes all of this very easy, even if you're a beginner. Once you know where to click, extending video duration becomes a quick and simple process. So to recap, if the footage is still available, drag the clip edge to reveal more of the original video. If it's already at full length, go to speed and lower the normal playback speed. And if you need even more time, duplicate the clip or use a freeze frame at the end. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.